At Caliber Collision, we understand that a car accident is an unexpected and often traumatic experience. We know that not having a vehicle can seriously disrupt your daily activities, and our goal is to get you back to what's most important in your life as quickly and safely as possible. Our purpose, after all, is restoring the rhythm of your life. Throughout the repair process, we are here to help guide you every step of the way. We begin by making the appointment process easy right from the start. First, be sure to notify your insurance carrier about your accident. Then, you can go to Caliber.com to make an appointment for an estimate or to drop off your vehicle for repairs with Caliber Collision. You also have the option to call and speak with a Caliber representative and allow us to help you with arrangements. As one of the leading automotive service providers, we are a pre-approved collision center with most major insurance carriers, saving you the time and the hassle of getting multiple estimates. We coordinate the paperwork and the scheduling and can even help arrange your car rental at most of our collision centers with our rental partner. After you drop off your car, our expert technicians will disassemble the affected areas of your vehicle to identify internal damage, not just what you can see from the outside. From there, we will provide an estimated completion date, and after your approval, the repairs begin. We stay in touch with you throughout the process to keep you updated on your car's progress. Our team follows Caliber's proprietary standard of quality to guide the repair process. Our highly trained technicians receive industry-leading, continuous training, making them experts in their field so you can feel confident that you took your vehicle to the right place. If your car has an advanced driver assistance system, often called ADAS, with safety features such as collision avoidance or traffic sensors, we will recalibrate that system as part of the repair process. Throughout the repair process, we perform multiple quality inspections to restore your car to pre-accident condition. Every repair is backed by Caliber's written limited lifetime warranty and honored at all Caliber Collision locations across the country. From the first step to the last step, our teammates will help guide you through the process and get you back to the rhythm of your life. Thank you for trusting the Caliber Collision team.